How to delete or reset game data. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, I will show you on Android, but the process is similar for iPhone as well. First, go to your settings. After that, in your iPhone, you will see an option of storage or iCloud. Simply tap on it. In case of Android, it will be battery and device care and then storage. After that, go to show all from apps using iCloud. In case of Android, this would be apps over here. So now you will find all the apps that are using iCloud storage. After that, simply select a game, and then there you will see an option of delete data from iCloud. Tap on it and all the datas will be removed. So similar to Android, deleting data, here also you will get an option of delete data to remove all the information saved on your game in your iPhone or your Android. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.